Hello students. So in our previous videos we have already passed the journal entries, and today I am going to show you how to post those journal entries into the ledger accounts. So our first account is cash account. See, I have already given you the format, but still I am dictating it for you for once again. That is cash account at the top, debit and credit side, then under debit side, date column, particulars, JF, that is journal folio, then amount, again date column, particulars, JF, amount column. Now coming to posting part, the first journal was on January 1, that is cash account debit to capital account, rupees 18,000. Now see, I have to post this twice. Once I will post it under cash account, and the second posting will be done under capital account. So let's post it to capital account, rupees 18,000 under debit column. Cash account to capital account was the journal, and since I am recording it under cash account, so it will come as to capital account under the debit column, rupees 18,000. Similarly, the next journal was on 4th of January, cash account debit, discount allowed account debit to Arun account. Now, since we are doing the cash account here, so we will consider the amount of cash only. So, cash account to Arun account, rupees 4,900. The rest 100 rupees will be treated as discount allowed, which we will do next. Then coming to the next journal, January 8, the journal was drawings account debit to cash. So I have posted as by drawings account, rupees 6,000. Now I made all the journals right up to 23rd January, and now it's time for closing the accounts. So while closing the accounts, the process is to first take the total of both side, that is debit side and credit side. See, I have written it at the right end of the board. The debit total comes to 22,900 and the credit total comes to 15,800 and the balance amount is 7,100. Now the higher amount will come into the both side total, that I have already written 22,900 in double line, and the balance amount will come on the credit side where the amount is less. 31st January, the last date will be the date. By balance CD 7,100. So up to this the account is closed. Now I will brought down the same amount on the next month, first day, that is here February 1, to balance BD 7,100.